Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your device's screens and finally select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ASUS. Going back to Xiaomi, you can finally use all of those categories at the top and select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example, and hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Following that, click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close a node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!